Hi, welcome to Midnight Math. It's a new series. It's gonna be simply telling you how to do the right math at the wrong time. Why is it the wrong time? Because if I check my phone, it is 12 midnight. So, really on the money here. So, first thing we're gonna talk about, something simple. Approximating numbers by rounding. And it's something that's simple, but it's a concept you can actually use in real life. So, let's say someone asks me, "Oh, how much money do you have?" Well, let's say the true number is something like 314 pesos, right? 314 just sounds like too much to say. So what you want to do is you want to round it to an estimate number. Because sometimes you're just not really sure how much money you have, or you don't want to actually say the number because it's too long to say. So first, if you want to round a number, you look at its leftmost digit, and then you look to its digit on the right of it. If the number is 9, 8, 7, 6, or 5, which is not, this one's 1. If it's V's, you round up. But if it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, what you want to do is you want to round down. In this case, we round it down, so we can estimate this. So in rounding down, first, you look at the number to the right of the digit you want to round. And you change everything to the right of this digit to 0. So 1 becomes 0, and 4 becomes 0. Now, this is where this up or down comes into play. If you're supposed to round down, you keep the number 3. So in this case, the estimate of 314 pesos is 300 pesos. So if your friends ask you, "Hey, how much money do you have?" and you really have 314, really you just want to say, "I have about 300. It's not wrong, it's not exactly right, but it gives you a good idea of how much money you have. Let's have an example where you round up. Let's say you want to tell how many people there are in your school. And the number of people in your school is, like, say, 1,856. There's 1,856 people in your school, and you want to round it. It's too much of a specific thing to say. It's also really hard to say 1,856. You can round it. So look at the leftmost digit, and then you look to the digit on the right. If you want to round, look at the digit and change everything to its right to 0. So turn 8 into 0, turn 5 into 0, and turn 6 into 0. But 1, if you look to the right of 1, you have 8, and 8 is a number that you have to round up to, so this becomes 2. So how many people are there in your school? The true answer is 1,856. But it's just more convenient to say 2,000, and it's easier to think, oh, 2,000, that's just a lot of people. But if you say 1,856, it just sounds too specific. So that's approximating numbers by rounding. You can use it however you want. You can use it for good ways and you can use it for bad ways. Just like in that 1,856 example, you can tell if, let's say, this is how much money you have, and your friends ask you, "How much money do you have?" Although 1,856 is the true answer, because this rounds 2,000, you can sound ever so slightly richer than you really are. Well, what's the time? It's 12:04, so, that's Midnight Math.